las uñas te puedo arañar. Cat, kitty, cat, cat, kitty, cat, cat. Corta las cámaras, córtala ya. Cat, 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 cat.
Okay. Welcome back. It's your boy, Skinny Penis. Okay. Anyway, welcome back to my channel. We haven't been here in a long time. I was gonna say there's a reason for that, but I would be lying. And you know, I want to start this YouTube channel off with the truth. So the truth is life has been happening. A lot has changed since the last time y'all saw me. Also, if y'all see me looking down, it's because I'm looking at my mirror. Also, let's get into the mirror for a second. Let's get into the mirror for a second. Ignore the setup, you know, it's a bit ghetto fabulous, but the mirror, okay, if y'all want to know the details to the mirror, I'll put it down in the description. It changes colors and everything. Okay, so anyway, that's what I was saying. What has happened? Life. I've graduated. My makeup routine has changed. Life's changed here. I have a piercing now. I didn't think I was gonna have a piercing until I was 21, 22. I don't know. But surprisingly, I got it with my mother. That was fun. I was supposed to be recording a video for that, but let's just say the pain was so bad that I forgot. I had another piercing, but I had to take it out. But it's okay because we're gonna get that piercing back, even though it's not the best piercing, but who cares. And then I'm in the thought process of getting another piercing, but I'm not gonna tell y'all what the piercings are, because if I do go get them, I'll be vlogging that, so it'll be like a little surprise. Also, if that video comes out as well, I'll be talking about another video. I'm not gonna get too in detail with the videos that are coming up next, but let's just say one of them is a piercing vlog, and then another one is gonna be a trip. So that should be fun, especially now that I'm 18. Did I say I graduated? Did I say I graduated already? I don't know. If I did, yeah, I graduated. I turned 18. I got my license. Whoop, whoop. You know, your girl doing big things. Your girl doing big things. But anyway, today's video, that's the important thing. That's why we're here. We're connecting. Your girl doing a wig install. First of all, let's talk about how I plucked the out of this. I plucked this wig to perfection. I have been perfecting my wig install technique for maybe a year now. Maybe a little bit less than that. I did a wig install for Christmas last year. Oh, of course it's last year because we didn't get to anyway, you get the point. So anyway, I did an install for that. I did not record it. I wish I would have. I didn't have enough time. A lot of things were going on. So yeah. But I did a wig install. If I feel like it, I'll insert pictures here. But I did a wig install, and you know, she ate the girls up. I'm not gonna lie. She ate the girls up. I still have that wig. Is it crunchy and old now? Yes. Am I gonna revamp it and probably put it back on my head? Yes. I feel like my lips aren't ashy, but they're not what I want them to be. Now, a lot of y'all will say I just put that on for no reason because it looks the same, but to me it made a difference. So yeah, we're just gonna jump right on into this video. We're probably gonna do a little bit of chit-chatting. We're probably gonna do a little bit of chit-chatting. We're probably gonna do, you know, what we came here to do. So we're gonna go ahead and jump right into the video. I hope y'all enjoyed. All right, so I'm finna take my bonnet off and put my wig cap on. If you talk about my head shape or my braids, you're anti-black. And you're sexist. Even if you're a girl, you're sexist. And you're a colorist. So, let's be nice. Alright, so
Woo! Look at the bitch braids.
a Synthetica. You can kind of tell by the way I'm pulling at it, but you know, I love synthetic wigs. Don't get me wrong, a human hair wig is gonna eat down, we know that, cool, but the synthetic be eating down too. You just gotta give it a little bit of extra love. And to be honest, I would say that a synthetic wig is easier than a human hair wig, because with a human hair wig, you know, you gotta pluck, you gotta bleach, all that. You take away all that. Well, you don't take away all of it. You take away the bleaching process because it's synthetic. Duh. But when you pluck it and you get it to how you want it to look, the girls don't know. The girls don't know. And, you know, a lot of the time now, the girls are everywhere eating up these synthetic wigs. And when did I get into synthetic wigs? I got into synthetic wigs before synthetic wigs were what they are now. I got into them when they were bad. Okay, I won't say they were bad, but I got into them when people were, that's a synthetic wig. Why do you have a synthetic wig? That type of, yeah. I was rocking them then. But you know what? They did what they had to do when they had to do it. And I'm scared right now because I see TikToks all the time of like of girls having like the wig glue and then they like squeeze it too hard and it pop out all over their forehead in the wig. I don't want to be that girl, so give me a second. I'm cleaning my glue top off, which I feel like everyone should do, but I feel like the girls be on the move too much. We don't be thinking. We don't. Also, this is gonna be a lot of rambling. Well, not a lot, but you get the point. What was I saying? Oh yeah, I was wearing synthetic wigs before they were what they are now. Like, synthetic wigs have come a long way. That was a lot. But it's okay, because you know why? We're gonna spread it out. What was, oh, that was actually a lot. I wasn't trying to put that much. I'm really not trying to go overboard with the glue, because I also have to spray some spritz on here. But anyway, yeah, they've come a long way. The lace eats. The hair gradually getting better. Does it still tangle? Yes. But what do you expect from a synthetic wig? Do they tangle as much? No. And there are also ways to not prevent it, but lessen the tangle and the shine, because a lot of people, I've grown to know that a lot of people do not wear synthetic wigs because when it comes to the shine, that's how people can detect that it's a synthetic wig. In order to do that, to make it look less shiny, I've learned you can either use baby powder or what's it called, or dry shampoo. Let me give y'all some tips and tricks right now. If you have a synthetic wig that has a lace that may be hard, kind of crunchy, then you can get you a nail file, like a regular schmegular nail file, and lightly, because if you do it too hard, of course it's gonna rip the lace. Lightly drag it across the lace, and that will make it thinner. What else? I'm thinking, hold on. Y'all, this is about to eat. I'm looking at myself in the camera right now. I can tell this is gonna eat the girls up. But what? Think. Come on, you got it. Anyway, so to revamp the wig, you can get you some silicone mix. I've seen people use like washing detergent, but I don't know if that works. So what's it called? Try at your own risk. I'm giving what I know for sure, or I'm giving what I heard from like the synthetic gurus. I will say I'm a guru myself, but you know, we get there. So anyway, so yeah, you can use that to revamp your wigs. Silicone mix also works on human hair wigs as well. Give me a second, hold on, cause I probably should have mapped out where I put the glue and where my wig lays, because sometimes I will do a wig and I'll look at myself and I'll be like, my forehead looks big. We do not let the men know that we can shapeshift. Cause when I tell y'all my forehead be on 1,000, sometimes I will pop a wig on and make my forehead look like, who got a small forehead that I can think of? I don't even know. But forehead be on little. But what Kevin said?
Hey, when we get home, I'm gonna kiss you on your forehead.
Kiss you on your forehead? So the big forehead girls out there, including myself, reassurance. It's okay to have a big forehead. Cause it's always gonna be somebody that's gonna kiss your forehead.
Hey, when we get home.
it's the install. It's eating. It's definitely eating. But that is the wig install for today. That is the finished video. I don't even think it's the ear tab no more. Maybe my ear just itch. No, it's a clamp right there. Like, it's a little thing right there. Anyway, this is the final wig install. I'm really happy with the way the edges came out. I'm not gonna lie, this was making me nervous. I'm really proud of the sideburns. I'm really, did I ever take that? So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Your girl will be coming back soon. Real soon. Imagine like, okay, anyway, yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I will be seeing y'all soon. Love you guys. Goodbye. And have a blessed day. Bye.